Hi, Angela Wolf here. Today I want to show you something that came with your brother Luminaire that you might not have noticed. A little box like this. This is your portable thread rack. Let me show you how this works. In the past, when you wanted to use a thread rack, you would lift this up and remove it and insert your thread rack right into this area. Then we have to find a place for this to sit, and I always end up tripping over it. Not anymore. Now you can leave it on the machine. Flip this open. This is a cute box for storage and travel. Open the box. This lifts open. Flip it around. These lift up. And there are magnets on the bottom that coordinate with magnets up here. Just take this, slide it in place. This can go up or down, and then you have storage here for your scissors, bobbins, whatever you need. What a great way to stay organized. When you don't need this anymore, or you're going to travel with your machine, this folds up very quickly. Pop on the lid, close this lid, and you're ready to go. Again, I'm Angela Wolf. Stay tuned for more feature videos with your brother Luminaire.